how many times have you had a garbage disposal with an awful smell you just couldn't get rid of? You've tried vinegar, baking soda, Dr. Pepper, pickle juice, I don't know, but it just won't go away. Today we're going to give you a quick tip on how to take the smell out of your garbage disposal without having to replace the garbage disposal. I'm Justin with Ace Plumbing, Electric, Heat, and Air, and this is actually my sink, and this disposal actually stinks a lot. And this is what we have to do. It's a great tip. Stay tuned. First, you take ice. And my wife is going to bring ice over, and we're going to load this disposal up with lots of ice, crushed ice. I almost want to go eat that, but I'm not going to eat it. Yes, really, this ice will take the smell away, and we're going to show you something that is disgusting. Stuff it in there really good. And you can use ice cubes if you want. Now, put a little trickle of water in, not too fast. Let it kind of get down there and pack the ice. Now you're just going to turn the garbage disposal on and watch it work. Give it time to work, and when you see what comes out, you will be amazed. Uh-oh, look at that. Oh man, would you look at that. It is getting clean now. But if you think yours doesn't look like this, you're mistaken. Throw some ice in there and check it out. There it goes.